Hi folks, Rich Pasini from RJPasini.com. I'm coming to you today to do a live demo on a Logitech MK 300 wireless keyboard. Okay, that comes with a nice mouse. Okay, and I'm going to do the live demo start from finish. And here's your receiver. Okay. First off, I just want to say you're going to need 2 AAA batteries for the keyboard, which are not included, folks, I'm sorry, and 2 AA batteries for the mouse. I'm going to show you from start to finish. I'm going to move the webcam down here, and I'm going to be doing split screen. I'm going to do this live so you see that it actually works, and that when you get it, you should have no problem with it. Okay, I'm going to put the AA battery in here. Make sure it's got it in the right orientation here. Okay. And this one goes this way. Okay. I'm sorry, folks. I like to do these live. This way you could actually see that the system's working and that, you know, it's no smoke and mirrors here. Here's the mouse. Okay. 2 AA Maxwell batteries are going to go in. You can see the light lit up already. Okay. And here's your receiver. Now I'm going to split the screen and I'm going to show you when it connects. If you look up here, folks, on devices, when I connect this receiver, I'm sorry, folks, I'm going to be booming the thing back again. When I connect it, look over there, you're going to see that it does connect. It does recognize, okay, my system does recognize this here. Okay, you see over here it says receiver? Okay, so I'm going to place the receiver on the side over here, the desk here, and I'm going to, first I want it, before I get started with everything else, I just want to show you the operating system that it's working on so you know ahead of time. Here I have, I'm working with my Windows system is Windows 10. It's a 64-bit operating system. So it does connect, it does recognize it. My computer's an HP Pavilion, okay, and this is all the information, but you can see it's a Windows 10 operating system. Now I'm going to go to device and printers, as you've seen already. You've seen it is connected. Okay, there's the receiver. These devices are mine. I have 2 webcams. I have the HP I'm broadcasting right now, I'm doing a video on right now, and here's the Logitech that's next to it. That's the receiver I just plugged in, and this one here is my mouse, and this one here is my computer, of course, and that's my screen, my HP screen. Anyway, I'm going to minimize this here, and I'm going to go over here and show you that when everything connects, it does work. Okay, so I'm going to hit the button on the mouse here, and I'm going to hit the connect button. Let's see if it works here now. Okay, now as you can see, folks, I'm moving the mouse around. Okay, this is the mouse, and I'm going to show you moving it so you can see it for yourself. Okay, if you look on the screen, you can see the mouse is moving. Okay, this is from this this wireless mouse. And now I'm going to connect the keyboard. Okay, and we'll connect that. Hopefully that should work. Let's see now. 1 second, folks. Let's see. Oh, there you go. There we go, folks. Now you can see that the keyboard is working. Okay. Okay, as I'm moving it up, you can see it. Let me just get rid of that there. I'm not used to this keyboard, I got my own. Okay. Anyway, everything works. Here's all the numbers, all the letters. I'm not going to go through the whole format. Here's the cap lock here. You can see everything works. Okay. And I'm going to show you, I just want to show you something. This keyboard doesn't have any light up numbers, you know, like the light up things to let you know it's caps on or off, whatever. So I'm going to move this again so you can see my keyboard. Okay. I have a Logitech keyboard, as you can see here. Okay. And I want to get it where you can see it actually here too, folks, so you can see both. Okay. Here, when I hit the caps lock, look on my keyboard and you'll see the light up. Now here's the caps lock right here. It's probably hard to see because it's small now. Okay. You see the keyboard lights up? So it does work. I'm gonna do them all. Okay. Here's the cap locks again. Okay. Here is the num lock. Okay. And I know there's the other one here. Just bear with me, folks. I believe it's the scroll lock. Sorry, folks. I know it's here, but I know there's another one here, and I'm just trying to find it here. But anyway, it works. As you can see, it works. I can't find the other one there offhand, but it does work. I know there's three: the scroll lock, num lock, and the that key, that one I can't find, but it is there. I don't want to hit anything because I might knock off the webcam. You know, knock off the webcam. I had that once before. I did a demo like this here, and I knocked off. It does work. And that's basically it. As you can see, the cap lock shuts off, and the num lock, where is it again? Here, this shuts off the keyboard. So you know it does work. It does connect. Okay. So that's basically it. As you can look over here on the screen, you can see everything works. The keys are very fluid and functional. They work great. Keyboard is nice. It's the MK 300. And again, you're getting the mouse with it. And as you can see, the mouse works. When I move the mouse, let's see here. When I move the mouse this way, you can see, look on the key, you can look on the screen at the split screen, you can see it works. Everything works on this here, folks. All right, enough with that. So now I do the live. The reason why I did this live demo, folks, is it's the first time coming to the web, my YouTube channel. In this case, the eBay auction. My name is Rich Pasini from rgpc.com. I do live demos on electronic items I sell. Not necessarily, it doesn't have to necessarily be all electronics. I've done things on luggage, you know, showing you certain things. I talk about different topics and certain things, you know, about certain things pertaining to eBay and other things of that sort. Anyway, the reason why I do that is to give the potential buyer, you as the potential buyer, the opportunity to see the item that you may have interest in work from start to finish. That's why I do these videos, because I want you to know that when you get it, it's going to work. It's not going to arrive, and you should have any problems hooking it up. As you can see, it does work. That's why I did the split screen and demo on this here. You know, I did all the, I did it right from the beginning to end to show you that on the devices that the receiver does connect. It does work on a Windows operating system Windows 10. And again, this is what you're getting. You're getting the mouse, the keyboard, and you're getting a receiver. Okay. And everything, these are all in like new condition, folks. They're really clean, and I think you're going to be very happy with it. There's the back of it here. 9 out of 10 when you're picking these things up, these little levers here are usually one's broken and stuff like that, but this one here is in really good condition, as you can see. Very clean. Okay. It's got like a little diagram over here on how to connect it to your computer. Well, how to connect the devices. Okay, as you can see. All right. And the same thing I think applies with the mouse. Yeah, the mouse has basically like a little indicator too, showing you about how to connect it. Let me see right there if you can get it. And my webcam is not focusing in properly. I'm sorry, folks. All right. Oh, there you go. It's a little better. I guess that's too close. And the Connect doesn't have that feature on it, but we all know what you do with that. You plug it in, you hit the Connect button, and that's it. But again, I can't stress. I don't know if I went over this with you folks in the beginning, but I can't stress enough to invest in one of these. It's a battery tester, and it's just very basic, low and good. The middle's, I guess, showing you medium, whatever. If you buy any wireless device like this here, like these keyboards or any type of wireless device, you might want to invest in these here. Some people might have used batteries laying around the house, and it might just pop in there. And I had that happen even with the other ones I tested. I sold quite a few of these Logitech keyboards, wireless ones. And I noticed that when I had weak batteries in there, it wasn't making a signal. It was driving me crazy. It was the first thing I was thinking, there's got to be something wrong, either with the computer setup, or maybe the receiver's broken, or it's not working. And then when I took it out, I checked it out, and the batteries were really low. And that's what caused the problem. Believe it or not, people might say not. Well, in my case, it did. Okay, I don't know if it was just a fluke thing that happened, but in my case, it did cause a problem with it. I couldn't connect the devices with the weak batteries in it. I used to test the batteries the old-fashioned way, which was you get a flashlight, you remove the flashlight batteries, and you test it. You look by the light. If the light was bright, it was a good battery. If it was low, you know it was weak. So I said later with that, I'm gonna invest money. I think it was only $5 I got at Walmart, and there's no second guessing. You test it out, you put it in there. It goes either good or low, whatever. And it works for me. And I think if you're a person that stores a lot of batteries, and you might think they're good. you know, and you might pop them in this unit if you are the lucky buyer of this. You might pop them in here and say, you know, later on, send me an email. I received that keyboard and it's not working. Well, if you got bad batteries in there, or low batteries, or dead, weak, almost dead batteries, of course it's not going to work. So my suggestion is, if you want these devices to work properly, get fresh new batteries. Okay. No, I can't include the batteries with these systems, with the items I sell, because they're expensive. Because it'll be costing me money. Then I have to go out and buy more batteries. So I don't include batteries with the wireless device. So any electronic things I sell that require batteries, I don't include with my listings or my sales. So my suggestion is, get yourself some new batteries. If you are the lucky buyer of this unit, of this item I should say, this requires 2 AA batteries, and this requires 2 AAA batteries. So you might want to pick those up and just keep them on hand. And then when you get the item, you plug in some fresh new batteries. You should have no problem with this here. But anyway, folks, and like I said again, you're also getting the receiver with it, as of course. So if this, like I said, if this is the first time coming to my auction site, or in this case YouTube channel, I do sneak peek videos, demo videos, and intro videos. This is a demo video showing from start to finish that it works. You've seen the operating system it was connected to. You've seen that the device did connect. So you should have no problem with this here. Just take your time when it comes to setup. It's pretty much plug and play. There's no software installation or user guides with it. As you can see, I did it from start to finish, and I don't have any installation disk. I have no user guide whatsoever. It's cut and dry, basically very simple to hook up. But anyway, folks, if you like my channel, you like what I do with the YouTube channels and the videos, if you'd like to subscribe, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you like what I do with the videos and you think they're helpful to you in any way, give it a thumbs up. And that's all I can tell you right now. If you have any questions or comments you want to leave, please do. If you want to email, my personal email address, it's rjpasini@verizon.net. And lastly, if you want to keep me on your watch list on eBay, just type in RJ Pasini and I'll be on your watch list. So when these items come out, you'll have first dibs on them. But thank you again for stopping by and checking out my demo video. I hope it helps, and you have a great day, and thanks again. Bye now.